And now for our top focus. Mincing no words and pulling up Patanjali in the misleading advertisements case, the Supreme Court has refused to accept the unconditional apology offered by Patanjali, Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balkrishna. The top court told Baba Ramdev that he was taking the contempt of court proceedings too lightly. The court also warned them to be ready to face action in the contempt case. Making sharp remarks, the court said, "Why should we not treat your apology with the same disdain as shown to the court undertaking? We are not convinced. Now we're going to turn down this apology." The court also said, now a message must be sent to society. Look at the reply of the state. We are making it a part of your conduct. What kind of medications have you been coming out with? This is what the court bench asked. The Supreme Court further remarked that there was a willful violation of the order and the apology was only given after Patanjali was summoned. We're crossing over to my colleague Rame to get us more on this. Rame, tell us more about the big takeaways of what happened in court.
So let me tell you, it's a big setback for Baba Ramdev, Patanjali and Balkrishna. As the court again noted today that both of them lied before the court. They showed fake their flight tickets just to not to appear before the court, and hence we are not accepting the apology furnished by them. Remember, Baba Ramdev had even earlier furnished an apology before the Supreme Court. However, even that was not accepted. And even today, their unconditional apology has not been accepted. A further date has been given in the matter. The court has stated that this is a mere application. It is a mere apology on paper, while otherwise behind the back, it is absolutely something different. There is no respect of law. There is no respect of court. And making such observations, the Supreme Court accordingly gave a next date in the matter. Remember, on the last date, the Supreme Court had even observed that it's a perjury committed by Baba Ramdev. We will take strictest of action against them. So these were the oral observations made by the Supreme Court during the hearing. The hearing was related to the misleading advertisements being put on air by the Patanjali group, which used to claim that they have the cure of many of the diseases, and they further used to defame the allopathic medicines. And accordingly, a plea was filed in the Supreme Court, claiming that these advertisements, which are misleading, which are fake, should be taken down, and Baba Ramdev should not further direct to the Patanjali company should not further take up these advertisements. However, Patanjali, despite the orders, observations from the court, continued to keep on air the Patanjali advertisements regarding the coronal kit, which used to claim that they have the cure for corona. And these advertisements were kept on air despite a warning from the Supreme Court. So absolutely, it's a contempt of court, contempt of the court directions. And now they are facing the wrath, they are facing the furiousness of the Supreme Court. A next date has been given and the matter will be heard further.
All right, Rame, thank you so much for telling us all of those important details. Now, we'll continue to track the developments here, but Rame, I'm going to request that you stay with us as we cover